Wood Wizard. Does it work? We're gonna find out. So I got it in it's probably about a 3-to-1 mixture. Got it in this electric sprayer, and we're gonna spray the fence here and see what kind of difference it looks like. You can see, look at all that dirt and grime. Look at all that just melting off there. That's gonna come off really good. It's had time to dry. Let's see how it turned out. Yeah, there you go. That's a better view. There, and see how it kind of brings it back to that natural look. This side's even better. Look at that difference. Dang, that's dry. So this can really do some work. I'd say it works.